Can paint change vapor flow? A wall finish can look almost identical after painting, but some coatings can change how strongly the interior surface resists water vapor diffusion. Paint is a thin finish layer, yet its vapor behavior can vary by product. Some coatings may provide greater resistance to vapor diffusion than others. On the left, standard interior paint. On the right, a vapor-retarding coating. Cyan vapor moves through both, but resistance may be greater on the coated side. The exact result depends on the tested system. Coverage matters. Application matters. The result depends on the tested coating system, the substrate, and how it is applied on the interior surface. Now, separate two ideas. Vapor diffusion is movement through materials. Air leakage is movement through openings. These are not the same thing. Look at real gaps. A gap around an electrical box, a gap at a pipe, a gap at a wall-to-ceiling transition. Red airflow moves through each opening. So a vapor-retarding coating affects diffusion through an intact painted surface. It does not automatically stop airflow through gaps, joints, penetrations, or transitions. Coating performance also depends on continuity. A missed patch, a damaged spot, or a bare transition breaks the surface story. Even a continuous surface coating is not the same as a connected air control layer through every joint and transition in a building enclosure. So surface coverage matters, but wall performance is more than the surface. The full assembly decides the outcome. A wall needs a complete strategy. Thermal control manages heat flow. This is the green function of the assembly. Air control limits unintended airflow through the assembly. This is the red function, and it works at joints and transitions. Vapor control resists vapor diffusion through materials. This is the cyan function, and paint may contribute here at the interior surface. Water management handles liquid water exposure at the exterior. This is the blue function, and it is separate from vapor and air. A coating may contribute to vapor control, but a moisture-resilient wall depends on all four functions and the way every layer connects. Before treating paint as part of a vapor control strategy, ask, what is the tested coating system? Product, substrate, and coverage together. Next, ask what function is needed. Is it finish, vapor control, or both? The intended role must be clear before selection. Then ask, how does the complete wall work? Layers, transitions, and drying paths. A coating cannot be evaluated in isolation. Recap. Vapor-retarding paint may increase resistance to vapor diffusion. It does not automatically stop air leakage, manage liquid water, or make any wall moisture safe. Paint can contribute. The complete wall still decides performance. Next note, can a wall dry in both directions? Educational information only.